Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix lagging problem in CapCut. If CapCut feels slow while editing, the good news is that there are a few simple adjustments inside the app that can make playback much smoother. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on settings that reduce the load on your device while you edit, without changing the overall process of your project. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, go ahead and open a sample project. This gives you a timeline to work with so you can apply the changes directly and notice the difference right away. Next, look for the playback quality option. This setting controls how smoothly your preview plays while you edit. If the quality is set too high, your device may struggle, especially on larger or more complex projects. Click on Playback Quality, then choose either Low Quality or Medium. Lowering preview quality does not mean your final export will look bad. It simply makes the editing preview easier for your system to handle. After that, click on the timeline area. When you do this, a details panel should appear on the right side. In that panel, click on Modify. This is where CapCut gives you additional options for how the selected media or timeline performance is handled. From there, click on Performance. Inside the Performance section, turn on Proxy and then click Save. Proxy editing is especially useful for lag issues because it allows CapCut to work with lighter preview files while you edit. That means less strain on your device and a smoother experience when scrubbing, trimming, or previewing clips. Once that's done, move your attention to the top left of the screen and look for the menu. Click the menu drop-down, then select Settings. Inside Settings, click on Delete Cache. Over time, cached files can build up and affect how smoothly the app runs, so clearing them can help improve responsiveness and free up space that CapCut may need for better performance. After making these changes, give your project a moment and test the playback again. In many cases, switching playback quality, enabling proxy, and clearing cache can noticeably reduce lag and make editing much easier. That's it. Those are the built-in CapCut settings you can use to help fix lagging problems and improve editing performance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you edit more smoothly in CapCut.